In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a forecast in Power BI, guiding you through the fundamentals of predictive analytics using this powerful tool. The process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each step to ensure the most accurate outcomes. So let's jump right in and start by opening Power BI. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to visit the official Power BI website and install the latest version. Once you have Power BI open on your computer, you'll want to begin by importing your data. This step is crucial as the quality and structure of your data play an essential role in the accuracy of your forecast. You can easily import data by navigating to the Get Data button located in the Home tab. Power BI supports a variety of data sources, so choose the one that suits your dataset, whether it's Excel, SQL Server, or any of the other options. Follow the prompts that appear on your screen to connect and load your data into Power BI. It's important to take note of how your data is structured during this step, as a clean, well-organized dataset will allow for smoother analysis. Next, with your data successfully imported, you're ready to create a line chart. Line charts are particularly useful for identifying trends over time, making them perfect for forecasting. To create one, simply navigate to the Visualizations pane and click on the line chart icon. After selecting a line chart, you'll move to the Fields pane where you can drag and drop the appropriate field names into the Axis and Values fields. Typically, your time series data goes into the Axis and the values you want to predict go into the Values field. If you're unsure of which fields to use, it usually helps to start with a clear picture of what you're aiming to predict. Now that you have your line chart in place, it's time to add the forecasting element. Within the chart's options, find the Analytics pane, which allows you to customize the chart's analytical features. Here, you will see the option to add a forecast. Click on Add, and you'll notice a forecast line appears on your chart. You're able to adjust various settings to hone the accuracy and reliability of your forecast, such as confidence intervals and forward periods, depending on the future time span you want to predict. Once you're satisfied with your configuration, go ahead and apply the changes, and that's it. You've created a forecast in Power BI, enabling you to leverage the insights you've generated for data-driven decision-making. Remember, the key to effective forecasting is continuously refining based on new data and adjusting your model to better understand the trends at play. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more insightful guides on using Power BI and other tools for your business analytics needs.